Hi, I'm Kate, co-founder of OPTY.NC, and today I want to introduce to you our new product, Dermal Restore. Dermal Restore is one of our new ingestible probiotic serums, and this one has been specifically formulated to help to support disrupted skin. So what does that mean? That means addressing some of those underlying causes in the body that can manifest as sensitive skin, as reactive skin, or can even start to lead to some inflammatory skin conditions. So how does it do that? Well, as with all Opti products, first and foremost, it starts in the gut, which is obviously really, really important and can really impact on skin health, systemic skin health. So this one helps to balance the gut microbiome and also helps to support proper digestive processes. Dermal Restore also supports nervous system and immune system function. So that means systemically helping the immune system to soothe the immune system, to make sure that any of that overreactivity can be soothed and calmed. So this one in the skin can really help to support that healing of the skin barrier. So improving that skin barrier function can then help to hydrate and soothe dry, cracked or itchy skin. So working really beautifully in tandem with any topicals, which are also helping to support the skin's immune function. So this one's actually been included in the O Cosmetics Restore Duo with the O Cosmetics B3 Plus Serum. So those two working beautifully to support the skin and the skin's immune function, both from the inside and from the outside. So in terms of how to take our ingestible serum, so really, really easy to incorporate into your daily routine. So this is a liquid product. It comes in a dropper bottle. So it's just 2 droppers of liquid a day. This one's a beautiful yellow color because it's got that anti-inflammatory turmeric herb curcumin. So this just goes straight into some water, can go under the tongue. It's a lovely lemon flavor. So really, really easy to take and really, really easy to incorporate to start that journey to improving your disrupted skin.